According to a 2018 Kaiser Foundation study, Medicare patients pay an average of more than $5,000 every year for healthcare expenses not covered by Medicare. That's more than $400 a month out of our retirement income. In addition to the monthly cost of Medicare Part B, there are also deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance. A deductible is the amount you must pay each year before Medicare begins to pay some or the remainder of charges. A copay is a specific fee you pay for a covered expense, and coinsurance is a percentage of charges you share with Medicare. What's more, you are also responsible for doctor fees and hospital charges that exceed the standard Medicare allowances, as well as benefit limitations and coverage exclusions, like prescription drugs, tooth repair, removal, or replacement, eyeglasses, contact lenses, or laser refraction, hearing aids or implants, and assisted living or home nursing care, even when it's required after surgery or hospitalization for a serious injury or major illness like cancer, stroke, or heart attack. What's more, Medicare does not cover any of our healthcare expenses while we are traveling outside the United States. So how can we get coverage to pay for these expenses? With Medicare Supplement Insurance, also known as Medigap coverage. Medigap coverage is private health insurance that has been approved or sanctioned by Medicare to fill in the gaps in Medicare coverage and help you pay for many of the expenses that Medicare doesn't cover, including deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance. But there are several types of Medigap plans to choose from, each one providing a different combination of supplemental benefits. Each plan is designated by a letter of the alphabet, like A, B, or C, D, F, G, or K, and L, M, or N. However, there are no differences between the plan provisions offered by one insurance company or the same plan provisions offered by another insurance company, because they are all standardized by Medicare and regulated by the state in which you reside. And while the cost of coverage will vary depending on where you live and the plan you select, every Medigap plan will allow you to choose any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients, even without a referral or pre-approval. What's more, if you apply for coverage within 6 months of your 65th birthday or during your state's open enrollment period, you are guaranteed approval for Medigap coverage regardless of your medical history or current health condition. But if you wait more than 6 months past your 65th birthday, or if your state does not provide an open enrollment period, you could be denied Medigap coverage based on a pre-existing health condition. However, once you secure your Medigap coverage, the insurance company cannot cancel your policy or terminate your benefits, because all Medigap plans are guaranteed renewable for as long as you make your payments, even if you develop a serious health condition. It's also important to know that a Medigap policy can only cover one person. So if you and your spouse both want coverage, you will need to apply for 2 separate policies. Making sense of Medicare provisions, limitations, and exclusions can be complicated, and understanding the supplemental coverages available can be confusing. Which is why you should talk with a qualified Medicare supplement insurance specialist who can explain your choices and compare your options for you, including the cost of each plan available in your state.